Hello, I'm Alex from Doc365. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a poll in Microsoft Teams. If you and your team is using Microsoft Teams often, it will be good to know how to create quick polls in Teams platform. It will help you to accumulate ideas, opinions, suggestions, and expectations from your team quickly. So let me show you how to create a quick poll in Microsoft Teams. Let me take you to one of my channels here in Teams platform. So Digital Marketing Team Updates is one of our channels, and as you can see, this is a poll we recently conducted, and it was created to understand the opinion or understanding of the team regarding marketing concept. So the question was, what is more important, whether it is content, SEO, social media, or email marketing? So you can also create quick polls like this to get ideas or opinions from your teammates or a larger team maybe. So here is how you can do it. Click on the new conversation button in your channel, and from the options below, you can click on more options and just choose forms here like this. This is actually adding an app to this conversation. So when you choose forms, it will automatically take you to a window that helps you to create a poll. So here you can add a question. So let me add a quick question here. What's your plan this weekend? And let's add some options. So these are the options I'm giving. So you can also add more options, or you can also choose multiple answers, or let them answer, choose multiple answers for this. In this case, if they are planning for a movie as well as an outing, they can choose both. And there are also other options that allows you to share results automatically after voting. And you can also keep the responses anonymous if you wish. Click on preview, and the question or the poll will look like this. It will show you a quick preview of the poll. So this is how it looks exactly. You can click on edit if you want to make more changes to this, or simply click on send so that the poll will be posted to your channel right away. So this is the poll we just created, and this is the results. So if anyone choose or submit their vote here, it will show up here. So far we got one response, and it shows like this. So there is now two responses actually. One of the teammates mentioned that he will be going for a movie, and then the second one is going for outing. So this is how the responses show up too. So this is very easy and it is very simple. So this is the easiest way to create a poll in Microsoft Teams. Try this with your team and let us know if you have any queries. I hope you like this video. We will surely come up with other interesting topics soon. Have a good day.